Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix AGI on TurboTax. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you are encountering an issue with your adjusted cost TurboTax, it could be due to incorrect or missing information, particularly when you are trying to e-file your return and need to verify your identity. So the first thing that you can do is check your AGI from last year. If you are refilling your TurboTax from and TurboTax asks you your prior year AGI to verify your identity, make sure you're entering the correct AGI from the last year return. You can find your AGI from last year on Form 1040 line 11 and Form 1040 SR line 11. Make sure there are no typos when entering this number. Then verify your information, double check your personal and income details. Ensure that the information you've entered in TurboTax, such as income, W2 as 1099 forms, etc. is correct. Then review your AGI calculation. TurboTax automatically calculates your AGI part of the filling process. If you manually ensure that you correctly entered all relevant income like salary, self-employment income, investment income, etc. and deductions like IRA contributions, student loan interest, etc. Then adjust AGI if necessary. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.